Next, I want to show you how to import free keyword search volume from free sources, from Google Keyword Planner and also from searchvolume.io. So I'll show you how to do that now. I'm just going to go ahead and load in a previous file here, puppy training. And you can see there's 229 questions here. And as I've mentioned in other previous videos, you can expect that a lot of these keywords are going to almost have zero search volume or very, very low. That's to be expected, but it doesn't mean they do not get any search volume. In fact, like I've mentioned, I've seen videos on YouTube where people are getting thousands and thousands of clicks a month to their content and their blogs or wherever they do their content marketing from long tail keywords that are specifically using the people also asked. But you can also get the search volume data inside the insight generator as well. So let's go ahead and just do it here. And the way you can do it is you'll see the search volume button. You click here and you go import search volume data. So I'm going to show this method first. And in this little window, it'll give you the sets of keywords. So in this particular tool, these are questions. So the keywords are questions. And you can see it will automatically put in sets of a maximum of 2,500 because you think you can only do 2,500 at a time in Google Keyword Planner. So it'll just put them in sets here for you. If you have, thousands of questions, like 5,000 questions, I'll make 2 sets of 2,500. Now, once you do that, you want to select which one you want to go to. So I'll select Google and I'll click this copy button. Now, as soon as I click copy, it's going to copy to the clipboard, and it's also going to open the browser when clicking the copy button. So it's going to open my browser and take me directly to the keywords, Google Keyword Planner. And then I'm going to click on this Get Search Volume and Forecasts, and it's already copied to my clipboard. So all you have to do is just right click and paste, or just Control V and click Get Started. Now there's going to be some in here that there's some errors. It looks like a lot of keywords have more than 10 words, so let's just remove those. So some of those are really long tail. They can only do up to 10 words at a time. So now you can come in here and you could see the data. I guess you can't see it here. But you can see some are getting some average search volume. But let's go ahead and download this. Click here and click CSV. And I'll download it here. And in Chrome, you can click this little thing here and it'll show where you've downloaded it, and I'll bring it up here. And then what you can do here is when you have this open, so this is the keyword file we just got. Now we can drag this into this part right here. That's one way you can do it. And it'll automatically add the search volume here. Another way you can do it, you can actually just drag it right on to the grid. You'll see the grid will kind of turn blue around, and you can do it that way. And there's even another way. You can click this, just click that, and it tells you which one you want to get, and you click the one we just got was that one, and it puts it in there. And so now that you have the monthly searches, CPC, now you can search and see which ones are actually getting some searches. But we already know that all of them are getting searches because Google are saying, people also ask these questions. But it's nice to have a little bit of a signal in here. I know a lot of people, a lot of the marketers or SEO professionals would say that, you shouldn't have to worry too much about the search volume for long tail keywords from the people also asked section because they are getting searches. But it's still kind of nice to see which ones are getting a little bit more search volume, like these ones are getting 500 a month on average as opposed to these ones. So what you could do is you can maybe make another tree around this question. So I could go right click and send question to new instance of the software and extract the people also asked. And I'll do like whatever 3 levels and maybe 2 clicks per question to get more questions per level. Click OK. Now it's just going to open up another software instance of the same software and just start searching automatically in front of us here. So you'll see it change over and then start going. So while that's running, you can always do another one here, or You can also use the bulk tool. So you could come over here and be like, okay, I only want to concentrate on these ones that actually get some searches. So you could go more than greater than 250. And then you could take all of these and you can right click and you could send it to the bulk tool right here. And now we can run a bulk search for all of these and make trees for all of them. I show another video on how to do that, so I'm not going to do it here. So I'm going to clear out those filters. One way to do that, hit the filters and clear filters. And I'll deselect all the rows. Now I'll show you another way to get the data, to get the search volume from a free source. So I'll clear this out and reload that file again. And then I'll do the search volume again. And this time we're going to use searchvolume.io. So if we copy that, it'll go to searchvolume.io, which is a free tool that allows you to do up to 800 per day. So if I just come in here and right click and paste, and you can select your country. You can also select your country in Google as well here, so I can change my country and language and whatnot. And click submit. I'm not a robot. And they only provide the average monthly searches, so they don't give you the CBC and the competition. But if you download this file and just do the same thing, this time I'll just click here and we'll just open up that export. Now we got the monthly searches in here. And you can do the same in the insight generator. So you can do the same over here. This is one we generated using the word gardening. So search volume, do the same idea. But I want to show you another method to do this. So this is the other one. So done searching there, 127. Well, let's maybe use this one. Let me show you another way that's a little bit quicker if you don't want to use that. There's something new I did for this specific software. I made this copy option here. So if you hit copy, let me just bring it into view. If you hit copy, you can copy the selected question. So selected means if the checkboxes are selected. So it only take the ones you've selected if you choose that one or all of them. And what it does is it just automatically copies all of them and just opens up the browser right away just for you. So you don't, it saves you one click basically to use that other tool. But so now you come in here and you control V and you can do the same thing again. Download. And then date modified and bring that one in here. And now we got the search volume data. You see here, there's nothing over 50 that was registering in that actual tool. And again, you can do the same thing with the search volume. So if you want to select all those, it'll copy automatically and send. So I just want to show you that it's actually doing something over here because I keep bringing the browser into view. So if you go copy all questions, you'll see it automatically goes to search volume IO, and now you can just paste in here and use it. So that's how you can import free search volume data from two sources, which is the Google Keyword Planner and the search volume IO. And in another video, I did show you can get estimated search volume that's free. But again, this is just estimated. It's based on a computer program, like an algorithm. So take that with a grain of salt, like I mentioned in the other video. But if you haven't seen the other video, go ahead and watch it. And there is another video I'm going to create on how to use the Keywords Everywhere integration. If you have a paid account with Keywords Everywhere, which most people do when they're involved with SEO and keyword research and whatnot, if you have that, you just can stick in your API key into the software and you'll get access to some tools and some features that Keyword Everywhere doesn't actually provide. So I'll show that in a different video. You know what? I didn't even realize that's what the question was. How long can a puppy hold its pee? Oh, that's funny. Maybe that's why we didn't get a lot of searches. It's such a long-term keyword. in a very, very, very specific question. All right, well, that's everything in this video. Just show you how to get that search volume into the software. Thanks for watching.